When Bodhidharma visited China, he became very famous because of his teachings. So, obviously, China emperor want to meet him and he met him. When he met Bodhidharma, he straightaway asked the question, "What is my merit, Bodhidharma?" So the emperor is asking, expecting an answer saying that Gautam Buddha will treat him as number one position because he is doing so much things for Buddhism. He constructed many temples. He is doing very well respecting priests, Buddhist priests. So he is expecting a great answer, a positive answer from Bodhidharma because before Bodhidharma, whoever came from India to China, all praised the emperor, saying that you have done many things, you Gautam Buddha will loves you, you are the number one. So that's the reason he asked the same question to Bodhidharma. But Bodhidharma is not like others. He is like a lion. His teachings are very powerful man and he like his teachings. He straight away looked into the emperor's eyes and emperor got shivered because he is expecting something but it seems Bodhidharma is not interested anymore and Bodhidharma replied, "You stupid. What are you expecting? You are expecting number one position? It never happens." Then emperor got frustrated but he realized this guy Bodhidharma is the first person who is denying him, who is scolding him, but emperor believes in Bodhidharma and he said, "Okay, Bodhidharma, then what I need to do to get that position?" Then he again said, "No, you are not the right person." Then again he asked, emperor asked, "So what should I do?" "Yes, I am agreeing. I have ego. I am feeling as an emperor of China and so I can understand I am unable to control my emotions." Then emperor said, "Can I, if I sacrifice my ego, can I become a proper person?" Then Bodhidharma laughed, "No, how can you sacrifice something which we doesn't have? If you are saying you will sacrifice something, that means you are feeling you have something and then you are trying to sacrifice and you on top of that you want to again follow the same principles. No, it won't work like that. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. come to my ashramam alone so that I will teach you. I will kill that ego or whatever it is in." So the emperor visited Bodhidharma ashram and Bodhidharma asked to sit him for quietly for at least 48 minutes. And emperor done like that, but he took lot of time to settle there. And after almost 2 to 3 hours of time, he realized Bodhidharma asked to search for ego yourself by calming down. So he is searching for the ego by sitting there, and finally he realized there is nothing like that. That is the only feeling he is till now feeling. He is the emperor, he is that and this. But in reality, those things are not real. And after that, he woke up and Bodhidharma said, "I killed your ego." Then emperor touched the Bodhidharma feet and said, "You are my teacher.